हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम यू ऑल इन प्लांट साइंस वर्ल्ड। आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे एमएससी फोर्थ सेमेस्टर बॉटनी 2024 का पेपर है। ये फर्स्ट पेपर विच इज़ सेल बायोलॉजी। ये पेपर 75 नंबर का था, 2 घंटे का था और टोटल 75 क्वेश्चन थे। और जो मोड ऑफ क्वेश्चन पेपर है दैट इज़ एमसीक्यू। और जो मेरा अपना ओपिनियन है इस पेपर को लेके, जब भी सेमेस्टर एमसीक्यू रहता है बच्चे क्लासेस प्रॉपर नहीं करते, पढ़ाई उस तरीके से नहीं करते, जो भी उनका समझ है, आई डोंट नो, बट पेपर इजी नहीं है। ये एमएससी के हिसाब से पेपर है, फंसाने वाला पेपर है। अगर आप सही से चीज़ों को नहीं पढ़े रहेंगे, कॉन्सेप्ट नहीं समझेंगे, तो ये श्योर है कि ये पेपर आपको अटकाएगा। ठीक है, फिलहाल आप क्वेश्चन के आंसर देखते जाइए। जिनके यहाँ अभी थर्ड सेमेस्टर अभी चल रहा होगा उन्हें अगले सेमेस्टर फोर्थ में ये हेल्प करेगा। ये M.G.K.V.P का पेपर है, ठीक है, जो कि लास्ट जो पास आउट बैच है उसका है। द क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 इज विच रिसेप्टर ओपन ड्यूरिंग द कैल्शियम इंड्यूस्ड कैल्शियम रिलीज। ठीक है, द ऑप्शन इज राइनोडाइन रिसेप्टर, राइट। नेक्स्ट, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज अ कैल्शियम बाइंडिंग प्रोटीन। ये क्वेश्चन इजी है। द सेकेंड वन, कॉल्मोड्यूलिन। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग आर इंट्रासेलुलर सेकेंड मैसेंजर। कौन सा है इसमें सेकेंड मैसेंजर? द थर्ड वन, IP3। फोर्थ, द स्मॉलेस्ट माइक्रोट्यूबुलर मोटर प्रोटीन्स आर। इसमें है आपका फोर्थ वन, काइनेसिन, फोर्थ है। हाउ मेनी प्रोटोफिलामेंट्स आर प्रेजेंट इन अ सिंगल माइक्रोट्यूब्यूल। ये आपको पता होना चाहिए, ये क्वेश्चन गलत नहीं करना चाहिए। तो ये आपका होता है 13। ठीक है, हु डिस्कवर्ड प्लाज्मोडेस्माटा। फोर्थ वन, वॉन बेनेडेन। हाउ मेनी प्लाज्मोडेस्माटा आर प्रेजेंट इन अ प्लांट सेल। सेवेंथ का, दैट इज थर्ड ऑप्शन, 1000। Which of the following transport involves translocation of the protein from cytosol to the nucleus? तो इसका ऑप्शन है फोर्थ वन, gated transport. Microfilaments are mostly involved in which of the following processes? Ninth, तो इसमें है आपका मोटिलिटी के लिए थर्ड वन, मोटाइल। टोनोप्लास्ट इज अ, क्या है टोनोप्लास्ट? फोर्थ वन, मेम्ब्रेन। टोनोप्लास्ट इज अ, फोर्थ वन लगाइए, मेम्ब्रेन। इम्पोर्टिन is also described as karyophore. What is the primary function of the central vacuole in plant cells? Primary function क्या है? That is fourth one, storage of water and mineral nutrients. The central vacuole maintains turgor pressure in plant cell. What is the significance of turgor pressure? Option is fourth one, it provides mechanical support to the plant. Which of the following is not involved in translocation of protons in mitochondria? Second one, complex. Second, which of the following mitochondrial complexes makes use of Q cycle in the translocation of proton? Q cycle, that is third one, complex number third. After removal of outer membrane of a mitochondrion, the structure that is left is called, जो स्ट्रक्चर बचता है उसे कहते हैं मीटोप्लास्ट, फोर्थ वन। Which of the following phases of cell cycle is the shortest in duration? तो G2. Which of the following is described as the engine of cell cycle? 18th का इसमें है CDK cyclin, cyclin CDK complex engine है. The association and de-association of ribosomal subunits depend on 19th का 4th magnesium. A portion of cytoplasm which stains with basic dyes is called stains with second one endoplasm. Which of the following cell organelle is responsible for release, uptake and storage of calcium? Release, uptake and storage of calcium. The option is first one, endoplasmic reticulum. Fatty acids can be transported into and out of cell membrane by fatty acids. Second one, facilitated diffusion. Active uptake of glucose is inhibited by fluorescein. Which organelle is involved in apoptosis? ठीक है, तो कौन सा होगा इसमें से? फर्स्ट वन, lysosome. Microfilaments are composed of a protein called microfilament. Second one, actin. Glycolipids are located at second, the outer leaflet of plasma membrane. The properties of integral membrane proteins can be studied by fourth one, all of the above. The fluidity of the plasma membrane increases with first one, increase in unsaturated fatty acids in the membrane. A cell without a cell wall is termed as third, protoplast. The resting potential membrane is determined by first one, potassium ion gradient. The oxygen and CO2 crosses the plasma membrane by the process of second one, passive diffusion. Lysosomes are known as suicidal bags because ये तो जनरल क्वेश्चन है. फोर्थ वन, हाइड्रोलिटिक एक्टिविटी. द फंक्शन ऑफ सेंट्रोसोम इज 33rd का फर्स्ट वन, फॉर्मेशन ऑफ स्पिंडल फाइबर्स. Distribution of intrinsic proteins in the plasma membrane is third one, asymmetrical. Phosphatidylserine residues in the plasma membrane are located at phosphatidylserine, first one, inner leaflet of the plasma membrane. The cell is not applied for virus होगा इसमें. Third one, virus. Which of the following is used by cells to interact with other cells? बताइए. Second one, cell junctions. Which of the following cell organelle is responsible for transporting, modifying and packaging Golgi complex? Fourth one. In which of the following type of cells sarcoplasmic reticulum is found? 39, muscle cell. Who is the father of cell biology? महा easiest question है ये, रॉबर्ट हुक. RNA is present in which of the following cell organelle? Nucleus. Which of the following polysaccharide is not present in the eukaryotic plant cell wall? 42 का third. Which of the following is not a component of cell membrane. Fourth, phosphodiglycerides. बाकी सारे हैं. The process by which extracellular messages translate into intracellular changes is termed as signal transduction. Protein kinases and phosphatases act by altering which of the following changes in signaling proteins? Signaling proteins, that is acidity. Which checkpoint is essential for preventing uncontrolled cell division and cancer development? S checkpoint. Which phase in the cell cycle is the longest? लिखा है longest in most cell. G1 phase, longest. Third one, G1 phase. What is the main function of the S checkpoint of the cell cycle? That is second one, to check for DNA damage. Check for DNA damage. अच्छे क्वेश्चन पूछे हैं सेल साइकिल से. Which checkpoint ensures that the cell's DNA has been accurately replicated? That is first one, S checkpoint. Which protein kinase is a key regulator of the G1 checkpoint in the cell cycle? That is third one, cyclin E. What is the role of P53 in the cell cycle checkpoint system? That is fourth one, halting the cell cycle in response to DNA damage. 52. What happens if a cell fall the G2 checkpoint? Okay, that is third one, the cell undergoes apoptosis. During meiosis, crossing over पैकेटीन स्टेज में होता है. बहुत पुराना हेड क्वेश्चन है. The plant cell has a diploid number of 8 chromosomes. During meiosis, how many chromatids are present in metaphase of second meiotic stage? दूना कर दो, 8 दूनी 16. Which of the following statement about cell cycle is false? Cell cycle में false. That is second one, in M phase the cell grows physically larger and copies organelles. Chromatid coiling in meiotic and mitotic division is meiotic, and that is fourth one, plectonemic in mitosis and paranemic in meiosis. When there is increase in condensation of chromatin during the process of cell division, this is first one, heterochromatin increases. Which of the following induces conformational changes in protein? That is first one, facilitated diffusion. Why is the sodium potassium pump important? बताइए भाई, why is the sodium potassium pump important? That is second one, it prevents the inside of the cell from having too many sodium ions. The inner mitochondrial membrane has all of the above. Inner membrane of mitochondria is rich in which phospholipid? Cardiolipin. Mitochondrial DNA is second one, simple double-stranded circular DNA molecule. What is microsome? That is small vesicles of fragmented ER, endoplasmic reticulum. Name the site where detoxification of xenobiotic compounds takes place. That is rare, rough endoplasmic reticulum. Which of the following coated vesicle transport protein from ER to Golgi? That is COP2. Name the signal which helps protein to move in or out of the nucleus. That is nuclear localization signal. The membrane of the thylakoid contain photosystem which harvests solar energy to excite electrons which travel down the ETC. ओके तो इसमें आपका थर्ड आएगा बोथ फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड. The carbohydrates are transported across the outer membrane of chloroplast by a third one glucose translocator. If 3 Na plus ions pumped out of cells, 2K plus pumped in, then the number of ATP molecule 3 ATP. Third one. Why do we obtain the magnified image of the specimen in SEM? That is third one, scanning generator. Which of the following help us in getting a three-dimensional picture of the specimen? Scanning electron microscope में 3D image मिलता है. During temp, a vacuum is created inside the column. The image formation in electron microscope is based on 73 का fourth differential scattering. Who invented the phase contrast microscope? First one, Fritz Zernike. Phase contrast microscopy is particularly valuable for studying third one, transparent cells and tissues. So ये टोटल 75 क्वेश्चन थे. पेपर को ठीक है, पेपर मतलब कुछ क्वेश्चंस इजी हैं और कुछ में थोड़ा बढ़िया से सेल बायोलॉजी पढ़ेंगे तभी आएगा भाई. मतलब खासकर सेल डिवीजन, सेल साइकिल का पूरा रेगुलेशन वगैरह जब आप प्रॉपरली पढ़े रहेंगे और जितने भी सेल ऑर्गेनेल्स हैं उसमें रिसेप्टर है और तमाम सारे सिग्नलिंग है, रिसेप्टर है, ट्रांसपोर्टेशन है, सारी चीज़ें जब आप पढ़े रहेंगे तो ही ये पेपर आपका सही होगा. रिटर्न में फिर भी बच्चे गलत सही लिखते हैं एंड दे गॉट मार्क्स, लेकिन यहाँ ऑप्शन नहीं है. और अच्छा है अगर आप CSIR नेट वगैरह के लिए भी प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं तो एक अपना माइंडसेट बनाइए एंड दिस विल हेल्प यू आउट इन ऑल ऑफ दिस. सो थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक यू ऑल. थैंक यू एवरीवन.